Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create account on BiP Messenger. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it? So first of all, open your Google Play Store. Also you can open App Store and then search here BiP Messenger. So this is the BiP Messenger. From here you will need to install the app, and once it's done, click on open, continue, allow, and select here your country and give here your phone number, and tap on get verification code. Yes, and you will get an verification code to your phone number. So verify your number here and tap on allow, and enter here your profile name, and you can add here a status and tap on this profile icon to add your profile picture, and then click on complete, and make sure to allow. So here you can see I've successfully created my account on BiP Messenger. So if this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.